Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon to all. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderfully blessed day. This is Jaime G, and your boy is about to break you off some developing Doge and crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can consider to like and subscribe, even dislike, it's all good. Hit that notification bell, turn it on to all, so you can be notified when I come through with developing and breaking news. None of this is ever financial advice, guys. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, if you guys are ready to find out what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto land, well, without further ado, let's dive in. All right, guys. We're going to start off with Bitcoin, right? I always like to start off with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, guys, right now is at 46,568. It is down 2.37% for the day. Right, as you can see, the overall market, the sentiment is always, obviously, there's a lot of fear going on right now, right? And uncertainty because people are scared, right? Thinking that Bitcoin is going to continue to go down and that the bear market is here and so on and so forth. As you can see, the overall market, top 100 on coin market cap, are in the red. Granted, there is a little bit of green here and there, but nonetheless, there's more red than there is green. Obviously, the markets are consolidating, which is good, right? Because we did have some pretty good green days there. We had about 2 or 3 green days in a row, but now the markets are consolidating. And you got to take into fact, guys, it is the weekend. There's always more volatility and less trading volume on the weekends, right? So it doesn't surprise me that the markets are in the red coming on Sunday. All right, guys, enough of Bitcoin. We'll get into some more Bitcoin news here in a minute. All right, let's dive into Dogecoin, right? We're currently ranking number 12. We've dropped 2 notches, right? Hopefully, we will gain our spot back on the top 10, right? But we'll see. Bitcoin right now, guys, is at Dogecoin is at 0.1679. We are down 1.8% for the day. Now, our 24-hour low is 1.676. So we are barely up just a tad bit from our 24-hour low, guys. And our 24-hour high was at 17 cents. Our market cap is sitting at 22.24 billion. And volume is retardedly stupid low. I don't even know when's the last time I seen it this low. And I am surprised that 16 cents is even holding up, guys. We are at $573.82 million. That is insane. But it just goes to show you, right? That 16 cents is a very strong level of support, right? So enough of this. Let's dive into the charts, right? See what's going on here. Talk about support and resistance. Okay, guys. So obviously we continually are in this descending channel, right? Obviously descending down, right? The momentum is downward. Now, we're going to talk about this line of support right here first, right? As you can see here, right. Hold on, guys. All right, here we go. So as you can see here, and here, right, and down here, we hit this level of support numerous times and bounced off of it, which is a good thing, right? Because that's what you want, right? And then now for the line of resistance, as you can see, right in here, right, and then over here, and then there's I think another one up on top there, right? But so we continue to bounce in this channel here like this, right? Hit the support, resistance, right? And now we're down here, right? In the past about little over a week, we've been consolidating in this channel right here. Granted, we had that positive catalyst about Tesla, right? And then we shot up to right here to the 22 cents. Right, but there's a very strong level of resistance at 22 cents. So it doesn't surprise me that we got rejected and we retraced and came back, right? Basically to right where we're at, where we've been for the past, consolidating for the past week. Now, as you can see over here, right? Right here, right? Today's candle and yesterday's candle is right on that line of that resistance line in this descending channel. Now, as you can see here, right, when we had that positive catalyst, we broke out of this descending channel, but we couldn't sustain the momentum. There was not enough buying pressure to hold above this line of resistance from this descending channel. So as you can see, we gradually started to retrace and we came back into this descending channel. Now, we are, for the past 2 days, yesterday and today, we're kind of straddling that line of resistance in this descending channel, right, guys? So, you know what I mean? Things aren't looking too good, but they're not looking too bad either. As far as, and this is the daily chart, okay, guys. Now support is coming in at 16 cents. Obviously, it's been holding us for about almost 2 weeks, right? And granted, we haven't dipped any lower, being that volume is only at 500 million, guys. Like, that surprises me, but it just goes to show you that this level of 16 cents is a very strong level of support. Now, resistance is coming in at the 21-day moving average. Now, as you can see, this red line, right, that is right above that level, that line of resistance in this descending channel, right? It's pretty much running parallel with it. Why? Because it's been acting pretty much as a level of resistance for us, right? This 21-day moving average for about the past almost 2 months has pretty much been acting as a very strong level of resistance that we cannot get break past. So resistance, okay, guys, is at 18 cents, and support is at 16 cents, right? We're gonna, continue like this, and hopefully we'll break to the upside as long, when we get some more positive catalysts, so on and so forth. But now, it's not looking too bad and it's not looking too good, right? We just need Bitcoin to make a major move to the upside, and in return, that'll help Doge and the overall crypto markets to continue to push up. So we'll see, right? We just got to see what good old Grandpa Bitcoin does, because Dogecoin is basically attached to the hip of Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, Doge does as well. Now, if Bitcoin goes up, Doge goes up. Bitcoin goes down, Dogecoin goes down. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. It hasn't decoupled from Bitcoin ever. Anyways, all right, guys. Now that's what I had as far as the charts go. Hopefully, it wasn't too confusing with all this scribbling. Right? I try to keep it beginner friendly. If any questions, please let me know down in the comments. Now let's dive into some Doge news. Now it says Doge and Shiba lead the pack of meme-based assets in 2021. Both tokens dominated 85% of the meme coin economy. Right, guys? Obviously, there was a shitload of meme coins, right? But Dogecoin obviously is the triple OG, right? And Shiba Inu is the baby OG of the meme coins. And then the rest are the triple baby OGs, right? Then it goes on to say, it says, it's been a good year for the meme-based crypto assets like Dogecoin, the OG of meme-based assets, which has seen its market valuation swell by 4,300% year to date. So obviously, if you would have invested in the beginning of this year and held to now, you would have been up 4,300%, which isn't too shabby, right? If say you put $500, you would be up 4,300%. Do the math, pretty good. Now it says Dogecoin is the largest meme-based crypto asset in terms of market capitalization, and it commands a valuation at around 22.8 billion. Now it says December 19th. Okay, it's talking about Shiba, right? Then it goes, both these coins have inspired other meme-based crypto assets to thrive, right? And then it talks about the other cryptos that it's inspired, the other meme coins. Now it says Dogecoin and Shiba inspired a great number of Doge and Shiba Inu Bri coins 2021, as well as there are dozens of tokens with these names. Despite massive amount of meme-based assets in 2021, Doge and Shiba are the most dominant by capturing 85.28% of the meme crypto economy, right, guys? So basically, guys, they have made up 2% of the overall crypto market, right, guys? They have made up 2%, right? They have made 85 million, 85, 85. Sorry, guys. Where am I at here? Valuation of both of them. Where's it at here? Excuse me, guys. I had it all down here. Anyways, I messed up, guys. Here, sorry about that. I lost my track on where I had those numbers at. But anyways, guys, well, you know what I mean? So this, this is positive news. Now, can it be a positive catalyst to push the price of Doge up? I doubt it. But nonetheless, it's some overall Doge news, right? And I just wanted to share it with you guys. All right, now let's dive into some more news here. I'm just going to reiterate on this here, not touch on it and read about it, right, guys? Now, it goes, because I talked about it in my other video, and it says, huge Dogecoin whale moves $973 million in crypto in a single transaction, right? But I wanted to point this out, right? It says, pays just 76 cents in fees. Now, to move $973 million, if you would have moved Ethereum or Bitcoin, guys, or Shiba, you would have had to pay thousands upon thousands of dollars in gas fees in order to make that transaction happen. Now, what I'm trying to point out is that it is cheap, to use Dogecoin. Right now, this is a very positive catalyst for Doge. That, and we have faster transaction speeds, and you know what I mean. They just minted the very first NFT on the Doge blockchain, right? So we have a lot of stuff coming for us to come into the year 2022, right? So do not count Dogecoin out, guys. To the moon, baby. Doge is gonna make some more millionaires, right? Doge is the underdog as usual, right? People are thinking that it's gonna go down to zero, so on and so forth, right? But strap in, guys, because we're going for a ride. But like I said, I just wanted to point this out, right? The fees, and not just that look, guys, if this Dogecoin whale didn't believe in Dogecoin, he would have sold, right? 970 million, but he's choosing to continue to hodl and hold on to that, right? So that's a good thing, right? Then here's another positive catalyst that I just wanted to retouch on real quick again. Now it says Dogecoin trends on Twitter yet again, right, guys? Now it says Dogecoin once again trending on Twitter. Truly, it says indeed Dogecoin is a big achievement and that it holds the potential to be a card. Okay. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to touch on this, right, guys? Because regardless of all the dips and trips and slips and all the negative FUD surrounding Doge, it continues to trend on Twitter, on Google. Dogecoin whales continue to buy the dip. People continue to add Dogecoin as a form of payment, right, guys? The list goes on, guys. You know what I mean? Doge ain't going nowhere, is what I'm trying to point out. So, Doge Army continue to hodl and stay strong. Okay, guys? All right, now that's just what I had as far as Dogecoin news goes. Now, I just wanted to briefly touch on some overall crypto market news, right? Now, it says here, load up. Now it says the largest credit union in Idaho now offers Bitcoin buying and selling. Now, why is this important, right? It's just old little Idaho right here in the United States of America. Now, it's important because it shows adoption, guys, right? It's the largest credit union in that whole state, right, guys? Now, that starts a trickle effect, right, for all credit unions, right? Just like how NBA players or NFL players, right, start wanting to get paid in crypto, and you've seen it started a little bit of a chain reaction. So what I'm trying to point out on this article, guys, is that adoption is here, slowly but surely, right? You have banks, credit unions, companies, institutions, hedge funds that continuously are adopting Bitcoin, adding Bitcoin to their portfolio, or they are accepting it as a form of payment, so on and so forth. The point I'm making is, guys, is that adoption is here, and there's still plenty of money to be made if you start investing now or continue to invest if you're investing. Remember, none of this is financial advice, right? It's just me sharing my thoughts. Now, here's another article about credit unions, guys. That says federal insured credit unions are now allowed to partner with third-party crypto service providers. Like I said, guys, major adoption, guys. You know what I mean? If you want to check this article out, go ahead. It's in Bitcoin Exchange Guide. You know what I mean? It's a pretty good article, guys. Now, I continuously want to point this stuff out, right, guys? Because these are important nuggets. You know what I mean? Because these are showing institution. It's showing you where cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, where it's headed, right, guys? It's headed to the moon, baby. And I want us to become crypto millionaires, man. That's why I made this channel, guys, to hopefully help you guys out, keep you guys informed of what's going on, right? All right, guys, now that's what I had for you on this Sunday evening. Hopefully it wasn't boring. Hopefully it was informative, helpful, useful, insightful. Thank you. You stayed with me to the end. God bless. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Until tomorrow, stay tuned. Your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.